Hi, my name is Anti Valentina Rodriguez Cárdenas, and I am present tax for Unit 2, Speaking Tax. The mining industry is one of the activity in the world with great influence in the economy and therefore a global activity. Ecopetrol is fourth largest Latin American company and one of the best oil companies in the world. According to Wikipedia, Ecopetrol is responsible for 0.27% of the world's industrial greenhouse gas emissions between 1988 and 2015, and one of the largest contributors to climate change that carries substantial risks to health, livelihoods, food security, water supply, human security, and economic growth. In the letter, I stated that at the 2019 Climate Action Summit, Colombia proposes to work on a decarbonization strategy to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and natural carbon by the year 2050. Ecopetrol being one of the activities that contribute to the risk climate change, has mentioned in the budget present in the 2021 to allocate $150 million to contribute to the decarbonization projects that are needed to be implemented. I also stated that in 2020 they registered 27 environmental emergencies as a result of the lack and refusal to update the plans for management activity, the prevention of environmental pollution, and negligence in the operation. And support for decarbonization projects such as the implementation of clean energy in administrative and some operation processes. The objective of the decarbonization is to stay below 2 degrees centigrade of global warming and generate the transition to clean energy, and thus help emissions by 2013, 2013 and reduce emissions to zero by 2050.